NVIDIA is now worth more than the GDP of Japan. I mean, we got Amazon, Meta, the Cloudflare. They're all reporting major AI-related growth. Then we got this Michael Burry saying it's a bubble. I mean, again, you just talked about the 90s .com period. What's similar and what's fundamentally different this time around?
Yeah, so the similarities, right? You have a lot of the same psychology, and psychology drives the market, right? And that same psychology of greed, the markets will never go down. Oh, the Fed will always save us. The government will always print more money and spend more money. That's the same sort of mentality that in many ways we saw in the dot-com bubble about feeling like the markets would never go down. I mean, you have, again, not just the NVIDIAs of the world, which they make a ton of money, but then it's the trickle down effect. And then when you look at things like this stat here, 75% of the upside in the S&P in the last 2 years is only due to the AI stocks. So what's happening to the rest of the market? And then other stats like this, right, where you have people that are making under 200,000 are struggling. And we heard from CMG this week. In fact, if you guys could take a look, we can take a look at the chart on CMG here. And Chipotle clearly came out and said, guys, the generation Z, Y, the generation, all these millennials, they are not able to afford even going out to Chipotle anymore and buying burritos essentially like they were. And, people that are making more than 200K, these are the people that have lots of investments. The stock market's been going up, so they're feeling fine. But a huge majority, like 70% of the US population, maybe even 80%, is struggling like they're in a recession. And I really do think we have this K-shaped recovery, if you will, or K-shaped economy where you have the people that have investments. The stock market's been going up massively. They're doing great. But everyone else is really struggling, and it's just a matter of time before the stock market stalls, and then those people at the top stop spending, and that's when we see that recession hit.